Welcome back, guys, to the final episode of this Web 2 to Web 3 series. Now, it has been quite a short series in a way. It doesn't have that many videos to it, but the videos are quite long, just to go into depth of what's involved with the components that we've added. Now, if you haven't picked this up, effectively we've broken down the functionality into token, asset, and reward pool. Now that's kind of a three common Web3 gaming things that you can use. However, you can use on-chain techniques like staking if you want to do staking, and of course other forms of validation like a leaderboard, registering player accounts to the blockchain, which then gives you access to like blacklist people and ban people and stuff like that. You can go pretty nuts, but I'm hoping by practicing and now realizing how you can integrate a token, NFTs, and a reward pool into your game, I'm hoping it will really open up doors for you guys to actually start I guess gamifying your game. Blockchain gaming is still fairly new. I mean, I've been developing with the SDK for about a year now. Untitled was my game that I was working on, actually kind of still am. But there are some really sick games out there, and you can do some really sick things with it. So if you've made it this far and you followed me throughout all these videos, I want to say thank you so much for actually following this. As you can expect, it was a ton of work building this, setting it up. It's my very first tutorial where I try to create something for people to follow along with. Obviously not perfect. Even though I try to prepare for it, there were just hiccups pretty much everywhere. So if something was unclear or like it doesn't make sense, look, please talk to me, communicate via comments, join me in the ChainSafe Discord, link below. I'd be more than happy to answer questions, clarify, correct code, help you guys. This whole series is meant to just really give you guys visibility to what is possible with Web3. Same with like the whole guide series. Yeah, I just genuinely, it's been such a journey with this, and if you made it this far, again, congratulations. You are more than welcome to create more NFTs, more skins. You're welcome to create more tracks using the actual creator kit. You'll see that at the top there's a puzzle kit tool, so you can actually create a new scene and start building new tracks. You could fully start, because now you've got the groundwork, you've got the NFTs, you've got the contract, everything is set up. You can now go and duplicate the level scene and create multiple levels. You can change the main menu, you can change the Connect Wallet scene, and effectively create your very own game and build it out and send it to your friends, host it on itch.io. Go nuts. Like, let this be an inspiration for you guys to start building whatever the hell you want to build. And again, yeah, it's been a real ride. Thank you so much for watching this series, guys, and we'll see where the wind blows us next. Take care.